Good afternoon, my name is Jessica Dottie Kinnett, and I will be singing Don't Rain on My Parade from Funny Girl by Meryl N. Stein. Don't tell me not to live, just sit and putter. Life's candy and the sun's a ball of butter. Don't bring around a cloud to rain on my parade. Don't tell me not to fly, I've simply got to. If someone takes a spill, it's me and not you. Who told you you're allowed to rain on my parade? I'll march my band out, I'll beat my drum, and if I'm fanned out, your turn at that, sir. At least didn't fake it, had, sir. I guess didn't make it, but whether I'm the rose of sheer perfection, a freckle on the nose of life's complexion, the cinder of a shiny apple of the eye. I gotta fly once, I gotta try once, only can die once, right, sir? Oh, life is juicy, juicy and juicy, I gotta have my bite, sir. Get ready for me, love, 'cause I'm a comer. I simply gotta march my heart to drummer. Don't bring around a cloud to rain on my parade. I'm gonna live and live now, get what I want, I know how. Run off with the whole shebang, run, throw that bell, we'll go clang. Eye on the target and wham, one shot, one gunshot, and bam! Hey, Mr. Einstein, here I am. I'll march my band out, I'll beat my drum, and if I'm fanned out, your turn at bat, sir. At least I didn't fake it, had, sir. I guess I didn't make it. Get ready for me, love.